Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from October 5th to October 11th. Monday, October 6th, there will be a student government meeting in room 106 from 3:35 to 4:35. All are welcome to attend. Thursday, October 9th, there will be a high school farm trip to the Campaign Against Hunger farm. From 6:30 to 7 o'clock, there will be a virtual financial aid night for our high school seniors and their families. Friday, October 10th from 12:20 to 1 p.m., there will be a club leader meeting in room 106. While the New York state law now prohibits student use of personal internet-enabled devices during the school day, this is not a new policy at Scholars Academy. Our school has always had the clear expectation and directive that all cell phones and electronic devices must be powered off and put away from arrival until dismissal. To support compliance with the new law, each student has received a school-issue Velcro pouch for storing their phone and other electronic devices, i.e. smartwatches and AirPods. Students are now responsible for bringing their pouch to school each day and following these procedures. Devices must be powered off and placed in the pouch during morning arrival each morning under staff supervision. Pouches must remain fastened and stored in backpacks throughout the day. Devices may only be accessed after dismissal, including early dismissals. And if a student forgets their pouch, an alternative storage method will be provided. We expect and appreciate your compliance with these expectations. If you have any questions or need support, please do not hesitate to reach out to your child's counselor. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.